Y'all, he is so scared of the fireworks. He went, go pee. Let's see if he go pee. There you go. Good job. See, that boy is too smart. I'm telling you. He just scary. Oh. We one and the same. You scary, I'm scary. You You scary, I'm scary. Okay. You open the door? Open. Open it. Oh, it's not. My bad. Then I open it. It's so scary. Okay. Oh, let me turn the light off. Where you at? Oh. This man, he does not like loud noises. I'm telling you. So, and he don't like loud noises, and he can't go upstairs. Well, he can. He just scared to go upstairs. So I walk all the way over here, and he will not follow me. He almost tripped. He stops right here every time. So if I go around the house, he'll meet me on the other side. I don't know what it is. He does not like this door. Normally there's trees in right here. He'll meet me right here. Because this tree right here, he's gonna be right here. Oh, that poor baby scared. That poor baby shivering. Ooh, you need your jacket. Where your jacket at?